Hello guys, it's Nappy Boy 99 here, and today I have something really cool. It is a Lego V. No, I shouldn't even call it V because pistons not V like. So I'm gonna call it L motor. I mean L8. I mean L6 um engine with a movable car. So with power functions, guys. I got a medium motor. Put that in there, and all right, let's try it out. Thing is very strong, and it does run, and it can go forward, backward, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks, what's happening in the thing. Oh gosh, I broke it. All you have to do is just take this little part out. This is it, and uh, my dad wants me to build this because he wants to know what's happening inside like engine. So this is what's happening. I can see with most things. So wait, yeah, I did not break it. The axle is just not pushed in there correctly. And all you guys have to do is push that down right there, and it's fixed. So I'm gonna give a shout out to somebody. My brother Tarek. He works at the Lego store. Um, and he got me power functions, so I was able to create this. Shout out to him. Shout out to my dad. Shout out to my mom. Shout out to my little nephew. If you guys see my power functions video, you see him. Um, Shout out to my sister, not the idiot that's over here, the other one in Florida. Shout outs to my aunts and uncles. Shout out to Gumball from the Amazing World of Gumball. Shout outs to my best friend Frederick. He's really supportive. So is my dad. Shouts outs to my dog. You know she's really mean. Shouts out to my friend Luke Faust. Check out his YouTube channel. It's Master Amuser. Shout outs to my friend Faith Dark Knight. With the big head, he has a head, and well, I don't really know what his YouTube channel is right now. I think he switched it. I mean, I might not be sure, but he said it was like Batman v Superman. I don't know. Shout out to Alfredrick. Yeah, his YouTube channel is Alfredrick Esau. I don't know. And look at my old YouTube videos. I have a million accounts. I have Jamaican Lego Mine is Jamaican, and then Legomin. I think it's like an orange um M, and then look up my old thing. I do not know how to get connected to it because uh just something. I don't know. And then it's called Alien Sunshine. I have some cool videos. I run my dirt bike, bicycle videos, Lego videos, cool stuff. I'm not doing vlogs because I'm not like that. I don't like doing vlogs and stuff. But I'm trying to do some gameplays. So, Advanced Warfare. I have Forza. I have Minecraft. I have Lego Dimensions. I have one more. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This is my first Lego video. Uh, and thanks. And I'll put a link to this description for all the people, the YouTube people that I mentioned. I'll put that in the description below. So have a good day and bye. Thanks for